Our kitchens are the heart of our homes, where we prepare and enjoy meals with our loved ones. But did you know that some common kitchen items might be harmful to our health? Today, we're going to explore 14 everyday kitchen items that you may want to consider decluttering for a healthier home environment. Let's start with black nylon kitchen utensils. These lightweight tools are convenient, but they often contain recycled plastics from questionable sources. When used with hot food, they can melt slightly, releasing potentially harmful chemicals into your meals. Instead, opt for stainless steel or wooden utensils. Just make sure your wooden spoons are uncoated to avoid ingesting any harmful lacquers. Next, let's talk about those black plastic takeout containers. While it's tempting to reuse them, these aren't food-grade plastics and weren't designed for repeated use. It's best to recycle them after a single use. Plastic food storage containers are another item to reconsider. Even BPA-free options can break down over time, especially when exposed to heat or acidic foods. Glass containers are a safer, more durable alternative that won't leach chemicals into your food. Non-stick pots and pans, including ceramic-coated ones, can be problematic once they become scratched. These scratches allow potentially harmful substances to leach into your food. Consider switching to stainless steel or cast iron cookware, which are more durable and don't rely on potentially harmful coatings. Plastic cutting boards may seem convenient, but they can harbor bacteria in their scratches and release microplastics into your food. Wood cutting boards are naturally antibacterial and don't pose the same risks. Aluminum foil, especially when used with acidic foods, can leach aluminum into your meals. Try using oven-safe glass dishes with lids instead. When it comes to silverware, be cautious of silver-plated items and those from unknown sources. Look for high-quality stainless steel options, preferably manufactured in countries with strict safety standards. Air fryers, despite their popularity, often have non-stick coatings that can release harmful fumes when heated. Consider alternative cooking methods or look for air fryers with safer materials. Single-use coffee pods, parchment paper, and microwave popcorn bags often contain chemicals that can transfer to your food. For popcorn, try making it on the stovetop with a heavy-bottomed pan and some olive oil. Gas stoves have been linked to respiratory issues. If you have one, ensure proper ventilation and try not to stand directly over it while cooking. Lastly, be mindful of your drinkware. Avoid glasses with painted rims, as these paints may contain heavy metals. For water bottles, choose materials that won't leach chemicals, especially when exposed to heat. Remember, making these changes doesn't have to happen overnight. Start by being more aware of the items you use in your kitchen and gradually replace them with safer alternatives when possible. Your health is worth the investment. By making informed choices about the items we use in our kitchens, we can create a healthier environment for ourselves and our families. Here's to safer, healthier cooking and eating.